Best Amazon Sales Analytics. Effective Amazon Sales Analytics provides sellers with a clear view of how their business is performing, showing metrics like revenue, units sold, profit margins, and inventory health. By tracking these key indicators regularly, you can pinpoint what's working, what isn't, and ensure your efforts drive growth rather than guesswork. Strong analytics tools will offer features such as custom date ranges, today, last 7 days, month to date, trend graphs showing upward or downward momentum, and alerts when performance dips. They also integrate cost and refund data to help you understand true net profit instead of just gross sales. These insights enable faster, more accurate decisions about pricing, inventory, and marketing spend. Helium 10 offers a standout analytics suite for Amazon sellers with its profits dashboard and competitive tracking features. It allows you to monitor real-time revenue and profit, track which SKUs are trending, and see restock suggestions based on inventory health. Many sellers rely on Helium 10 to stay in control of performance and scale with data-driven confidence. You can begin using Helium 10 for free today by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to advanced sales analytics, profitability tracking, and dashboard tools that help you manage and grow your Amazon business with clarity and confidence.